Guys, guess what? I just found this most ghostly thing. There's something moving this box. I tell you, I'm not controlling it. Just wait. Something in that box right there that's making it move. Nobody knows. Okay, so I'm gonna sweep. I'm gonna set up camera angle just right, so you guys can see what's going on. You guys are like, oh my gosh, this is some really paranormal stuff right here. So there you go. Oh, crap. Sorry that it falls over. Because not the best camera angle in the world, but it'll have to do. Oh, I hear it, guys, I hope you can. Guys, paranormal alert. Look at it. It moved. Yeah, this is some pretty paranormal stuff right here. Don't know what could be. I mean, it's a moving box. Who knows? What? It's a moving laundry basket. Nobody knows. Is controlling it. It's very paranormal. There's something in there that's trying to freak us out. But don't worry, guys. You guys are in good hands. Ooh, hey, must be my lucky day. Except that, you know, the whole paranormal stuff. You guys, look, found a penny. Oh. Sorry, guys.